Okay, so I've bought a tile cutter called Big Clinker MK.2 tile cutter. It's come straight out of the box, self-explanatory. Comes with an angle guide if you need angles. Just undo it and twizzle it and turn it if you need an angle. I don't at the moment. But what I do need to do is cut a tile 22 centimetres. Just tighten these up. So what you do is there's 22 there, and there's an arrow there, yeah. And you push this slides in and out. And you push it to that point. Simply line your tile up. This thing here clicks back on a magnet. That's for breaking it in a minute. And then all you do is undo that, and if we're lucky, you get a cut tile. Now that, I've got to say, is a really quality product. The good thing about this as well, it's got these arms that come out. It allows you to rest big tiles on. I bought this just to save on using a diamond wheel wet cutter, the noise and that, because we're doing a lot of straight cuts. That was good as well. I think it was about 80 quid from Screwfix. Well worth the money. Hope this helps somebody when deciding to buy one or not. Thank you.